Welcome back to Forrest Speed Shop. So today we're with the Z50. I got a couple other projects over there that you can probably see. If you can't, don't worry. If you can, I got a new engine for this thing. So while I was doing stuff online, I realized it was going to be a bit much to put this engine back together and get it running perfectly. You know, I needed a new carb, probably a new stator. It definitely needed a cylinder. But I got a smoking deal on this 125cc engine. So thank you, eBay, but we're gonna unbox this. So, unboxing this. First things first, we have our gasoline engine technical instructions. It is a Lifan 125. Part of the reason why I got this one, it comes with a full wiring harness. Got shifter, kickstarter, intake. That's nice, that's good. Broken styrofoam, that's not nice. Wow, there's a lot of technical data in this instruction sheet. Voila! We got the big boy here. A clutched 125. And this looks like, yep, carburetor. There's a rather large amount of packaging on this. Oh, it's already got the plug in it. Cool. Wow. Nice and shiny. Let's see, any oil in it by chance? Well, I can tell you what, that's not coming off my hand. Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, I guess we'll find out if there's oil in it later. But for now, there's the engine. Okay, and we're back. He's got a CRF.
Hell yeah. Well, this thing can be more badass than his.
Well, welcome back. So, just had a fellow mini biker in the neighborhood, I guess. But, well, I'm gonna get to throwing the new engine in this thing and trying to fire it up and run it. This is gonna take a lot less time than I thought. Given the fact that the engine is now uninstalled.
So, this is just going to be an experience bolting this out. Like, that's all I'm going to say. I really like the wiring harness is like half plugged in. I'm not even sure if it's right. I think it is. But at the same time, it could be incredibly wrong. So, boys and girls, I have the ultimate way to hold up your mini bike. You put your old engine in a 5-gallon bucket and then mount your mini bike up against it. Make sure your bucket has Summit Racing stickers on it or else it won't work.
Show me how to get love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
It's literally taken me, from the start of recording, it's taken me almost 8 minutes to install this engine.
Yeah, so, just so y'all know,
This exhaust, like, does not fit at all. It's kind of depressing how, like, poorly it fits. It was $50, so I can't exactly complain a whole lot. Alright everybody, welcome back. It's the next day. I'm just gonna show you all the exhaust real fast because it's kind of really stupid how high up it is. But I'm also missing the exhaust gasket, I realized. Anyway, I did get it fired up last night after the camera died. So I'm gonna fire it up for you guys today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do much work on it at all today. But yeah. We're gonna fire it up, show you guys what it sounds like with and without the muffler here. Let me fire this thing up for you guys. Hopefully it'll be as nice as it was to me last night. And just fire up the first kick. Oh, and also this is off the XR200. I don't know why I had it on there, but it's now over there. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Also, I have to get a what's the word I'm looking for? Oh yeah, a new throttle cable. The one I got with it was too short, so gotta get a new one of those. But I'm just kind of blowing air out of there. But yeah, that's what it sounds like right here. No, nothing crazy. It's really quiet actually, and I kind of like it like that. I haven't been able to rev it up, but sitting here at idle, pretty quiet, pretty decent. Now let me remove the muffler real fast. There we go. That sounds more like it. With the muffler off of it and revving it up, which I was able to do off camera, I might be able to get the Snapchat video to look okay on YouTube. But with it like that, it sounded gnarly like a race car. Ooh, I think she's running low on gas. Obviously, I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but the gas tank's not plumbed up. It's literally just like sitting on here right now. But check out how quiet it gets. Nice and quiet. That's all for right now. I'll be back later with the other parts so we can put it all together and get her going real nice and good. Alright guys, so it's a few days later. I was making the video for this to post it and realized that my audio just died. So there was no audio about this thing at all. But front tire's off, the front rim's off, I guess you could say. And it needs new wheel bearings, which isn't surprising, but it needs new wheel bearings. And I gotta fight to get these axles out, so I'm gonna hose them down with PV Blaster, do all that, and then in the next episode, we'll put the new tires on it. I'll chop this up, and then we'll go ride it around and have a fun time. So, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment too. If you really like it, comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.